I am starting another very important topic of the genetics, that is the sex linkage. Before entering into this matter, I am going to first explain the pedigree analysis, because sex linkage is of 4 types and each and every type we have to explain the pedigree analysis. So first let me explain what is pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis means the genetic history of any family expressed by symbol is called pedigree analysis. And in pedigree analysis there are some fixed symbols. For example, if we make a square, it will represent the male members of the family, and if we make circle, it will represent the female member of the family. If a square or this circle is solid, it means that the male or female is affected by any kind of the sex linked diseases or any type of sex linkage abnormalities. For example, hemophilia. So actually this indicates that the male is hemophilic and this indicates that the female is hemophilic. When we join this male with this female with the help of single line, it indicates it is the marriage line, and single line indicates outbreeding. Outbreeding means marriage between two families, two different families. In genetics, the meaning of families is something other than the society, because in society today we consider only mother, father, brother and sister is the family, but here family means all the cousins included in the family. And another one is double line denotes the consanguous marriage. Consanguous marriage means marriage between the two relative families, two closely related families, and this is the consanguinity, and this type of marriage is called consanguous marriage, and from genetical point of view it is not advisable. In this case, if this symbol is there, it means abortion. Abortion means the female conceived but did not give birth to the child. If we cross across either this square or this circle, it means it is the deceased offspring, means the female has given birth to these offsprings but they did not survive. And if we solid square or solid circle marked by this arrow, it represents the proband. Proband means the first affected member of the family. So far the history of this sex linkage is concerned, it begins with the royal family of England, and the first carrier of this disease was the Queen Victoria, and her two daughters Alice and Beatrice were carrier, whereas his son Edward VII was hemophilic, and unfortunately he died at the age of 32 in minor car accident. So the proband means the history of a particular sexual disease, particular sex linked disease started from the person. And in pedigree analysis, this proband plays very important role. And this kind of symbol represents the unspecified sex. Likewise, in this column, we can see that this represents the second generation. Second generation means offspring, and we just move from left to right in term of order of birth. It means it is the eldest one and this son is the youngest one. If we combine this son with the dotted line, it means this parent is adopted and this is the real biological parent, and this bracket indicates the adoption. This is the adopted son. And if the circle marked by this point, it means it is the carrier. And in sex linked diseases, female is the carrier of sex linked diseases. And this is all about the pedigree analysis.